Hello, I'm Usha. I'm a principal of Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya. I come from a background of creative teaching and leadership management. I have chosen this profession because this profession creates leaders for futures. That's the reason I'm here and I continue to be here. When we hire teachers, we look at two important things other than academic qualifications. One is unconditional acceptance, the other is growth mindset. Unconditional acceptance because students come from various backgrounds and we want them to accept as they are. That is more important for a teacher. Second thing is, this profession itself is lifelong learning. So we want our teachers to keep updating as and when new things come in and keep updating as and when there is some kind of an updation in the education system, as well as I told you, and we connect what we teach in the classroom that is connected to the outside world. So that is where we look at our teachers to be updated all the time. We at PVV strongly believe that relationship with students, teachers and parent is very important for the growth of a child. So that we generally meet our parents after every test and exam. That is generally to discuss about the academic progress of the child. Apart from this, we are open to talk with parents in case of any positive aspects. There are unknown developing corners of the child. If we notice that needs to be developed in cooperation with the parents, we are open to discuss with them and work with the child for the development of such unknown areas and hidden talents of the child. That is where we have a very good relationship with the parents and their cooperation as well in the process of development of a child. Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya means complete development of a child. Here at Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya, along with modern education system, we also inculcate the deeply rooted values in our society. That's exactly means Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya. A typical day in Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya starts with concept-based assembly, followed by silence in their classroom. Then they move on to academic activities in the regular period as such. After that they have their breaks and lunch. Their day ends with a lot of fun and learning. That's how the day in Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya ends every day. At Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya, we follow a CBSE board, but we don't limit ourselves only to a particular board pattern. We do practice here a blended learning, combination of academics plus their application and understanding and reasoning. Teaching is not limited only to the classroom. Whatever they learn here, so we expect them to extend outside and connect what they learn within the four walls of the school, and they should be able to connect themselves to the outside environment out there. Probably when they see a blooming flower, they should be able to connect with what they learn. When they see a green leaf outside, and they should be able to connect. It's not just as question and answer what they learn within the classroom. If they see something outside, immediately they should be able to connect what they learn within the classroom. So it's a blended learning. We don't limit only to the textbook and the notebook and test assessment like this. So in their day-to-day life, the discipline that they learn in the learning process should be applied in their day-to-day life as well. Say, if they have to go and purchase something from the shop, and they should know that they need to take a bag and they need to take money and they need to think about how far it is, do they have to opt for a mode of a transportation and all that. So all this comes when the learning is placed in such a way. So the process is important than the product. So that's how we look at our students to come up in the learning that we provide in Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya. Every child is unique and their learning styles are also unique. So to cater to this different kind of learners in a regular classroom, we design our concepts in such a way that there will be something to do, there will be something to watch, there will be something to read, there will be something to write. Our students write poems and stories and make models on the concepts that they learn in the regular classroom. That's how we make sure that we reach out to every individual learners in the regular classroom scenario. For a plant to grow, various nutrients are required at equal amount. The same way, for the development of a child, there are many things which are required, say care and concern, support, encouragement, at the same time correction. So we at Purna Vikas Vidyalaya, we give all these things with the protection as well, because every child should have a protected childhood in the learning environment as well as in the process of growing. We ensure at PVV all these things are provided for the development of a child, and we ensure the same here. Student learning is assessed here, not only the classroom assessments. So generally we approach classroom discussions and open discussions. It may be anything that pops up in the regular classroom or a news bit that they come up with in the classroom in between the lesson and discussion. So in that, how do they participate? How do they frame their opinion? How do they conclude? What sort of stand that they take? Based on that, we will understand that how our students are learning at PVV. Co-curricular activities are important. Generally, co-curricular activities are carried out outside the classroom. It helps the students to think creatively, problem solving, communication, grouping up. It enhances the learning of a child. It is always important. Along with the academics, co-curricular activities are inculcated. It helps the students to develop in a better way. We do give equal importance to academics as well as sports. We do have well equipped classrooms. Same way we do have well established playgrounds for various games. So games gives kind of a team spirit for the students and makes them to take the failure and success at the same spirit.